The Knowledge Library Daily Current Affairs, News Headlines 26 June 2024. Subscribe our channel for daily updates. National News. NHAI organizes International Workshop on Global Navigation Satellite System-based tolling. NIA declares 10 lakh rupees cash reward each for wanted accused in Vikas Prabhakar murder case. Indian Air Force conducts capstone seminar for number 3 Warfare and Aerospace Strategy Program. India's nuclear power generation capacity to increase by around 70% in the next 5 years. Delhi High Court stays bail for CM Arvind Kejriwal in money laundering case. IDEX initiative marks milestone with 350th contract for miniaturized satellite development by SpacePixel Technologies. Finance Minister Sitharaman chairs 7th pre-budget consultation with trade and services representatives. TRI mandates easy access to UCC complaints and preferences on mobile apps, websites. Centre begins auction of telecom spectrum worth over 96,000 crore rupees. International Sugar Organization Council meeting to begin in New Delhi today. Centre launches 4th tranche auction of critical and strategic minerals blocks. LIC issues clarification on unauthorized policy acquisition offers to policyholders. Intelligence Bureau Chief Tapan Kumar Deka and NHRC Secretary General Bharat Lal receive 1-year extensions. International News. Sri Lanka to sign debt restructuring agreements with India and Japan on Wednesday. WikiLeaks founder Julian Assange freed from UK prison after deal with US authorities. US designates Kenya as major non-NATO ally, enhancing defense and security cooperation. Israeli PM Netanyahu announces country is committed to ceasefire deal proposed by US President Biden in exchange for release of hostages. Death toll rises to 20 in southern Russia terror attacks. Sports News. Anush Agarwala selected by EFI to represent India in dressage at Paris Olympics. Men's T20 Cricket World Cup. Afghanistan clinched thriller against Bangladesh to enter their maiden semi-finals. Australia bow out of tournament. Spain and Italy advance to UEFA Euro knockouts. Indian contingent clinches 11 medals, including 4 gold at Under-17 Asian Wrestling Championships in Amman. Men's T20 World Cup. India advances to semi-finals by defeating Australia by 24 runs in Super 8 clash at St. Lucia in West Indies. Yuki Bhambari and Albano Olivetti reach ATP Mallorca Men's Doubles quarter-finals. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. Like, share and subscribe our channel.